Welcome back to another episode of Broke Premiere, guys. There's something that I've been looking at for over a month that I wanted to buy one time. It's an 07. It's got 86,000 miles. It just doesn't run. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't run, but it's worth a decent amount if I get it running. So I'm really excited. I am heading there right now to get it towed on, brought back to the house, and then go over it with you guys. All right, guys, we made it back. I just bought this 2007 Cadillac CTS. It has 86,000 miles on it, but it does not run. It doesn't start. I needed to get it towed, as you saw. I don't know what the problem is. All said and done, I bought this for $1,246. Now, the interior is pretty good. There's no tears. It's nice leather, again, tinted out. But overall, it is pretty dang clean. Let's get at it.
again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the end. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end.
All right, guys, the car's done. I just took the pictures, and now I'm finally gonna do the before and after of the Caddy. Let's get at it. I sold the Cadillac, and I sold the Cadillac for the most profit I've ever sold a car for. Sold the car for $5,750. A little under what I was aiming. I asked 8 originally. I didn't think I was gonna get that. I thought maybe 7 if I got real lucky. But I was thinking probably more around 6, 6.5, 57.50 I'm totally cool with. It was $1,200 for the car. Well, it was $900 for the car, $300 in fees to get it registered, another $100 to get it towed. So I was up to $1,300, like $100 in oils and transmission fluid, probably maybe $150. So let's say $1,450. So that means I made $4,300 on that Cadillac. So happy. So happy. Definitely the most money I've ever made on a car, period. I hope to keep that momentum going. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this episode. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will catch you again on Sunday. Later, guys.